There was a time when Netflix India original sounded like a PowerPoint presentation with ambition issues. And then suddenly it didn't. Welcome to Old Bollywood. Today, we're counting down 7 Indian Netflix originals that blindsided audiences, critics, and sometimes even Netflix itself. Let's begin. Number 7, Aranyak. Aranyak arrived disguised as a familiar terrain, a troubled cop, a small town, a mystery with folklore seasoning. The surprise was its mood. The show leaned into atmosphere rather than twists, letting paranoia and landscape do the heavy lifting. It was more interested in erosion than revelation.
सीने में एक राज दफना कर बैठा है। ऐसी लाशें पहले भी मिली थी। जुनून है जी।
Audiences expected a procedural. What they got was a slow psychological unraveling. And that restraint became a theme. Number 6. Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. On paper, this looked like a small town obsession thriller with a slightly alarming title. In execution, it turned into a compulsive descent into entitlement, power, and moral corrosion.
कोई बताएगा मिलना किससे है?
हमसे मिलना।
लाइन मारो हम पे।
लाइन में आपके लिए खड़ा होना चाहता
What surprised everyone was how uncomfortably intimate it became. This was not romance. This was coercion dressed as affection. And the show leaned into that discomfort with relish. The performances simmered rather than screamed. And the pacing trusted the viewer's intelligence. You came expecting a guilty pleasure. You stayed because it refused to let you look away. And from toxic obsession, we moved to something far more deceptively innocent. Number 5.
सब हो गया आईटी
Kota
एक
Factory.
साल का ड्रॉप नहीं लेना चाहिए था। मेरे सारे के सारे दोस्त सेकंड ईयर में घुस रहे हैं और मैं कॉलेज की सोच रहा हूँ।
90% आए थे फिर
Black and white visuals about IIT coaching students should not work in the algorithm age. And yet, here we are. Kota Factory stunned audiences by turning competitive exam trauma into something poetic, restrained, and painfully recognizable. It respected its young characters enough to avoid melodrama while still exposing the quiet brutality of the system. The surprise was emotional honesty. No grand villains, no cinematic villains, just pressure, expectation, and silence.
आईटी करनी है क्यों करनी है आईटी आईटी ही क्यों
सवाल लेट पूछा तो सवाल गलत हो जाता है क्या?
अजीब से चित्र घूमते रहते
It did not scream relevance. It
At any given
earned
time,
it.
17% फीमेल पॉपुलेशन अपने पीरियड्स पे होती है।
Now let's pivot into genre chaos. Number 4. Guns and Gulabs.
मुसीबत को बुलावा मत दीजिए खुशी खुश खिरसू के आदमखोर शेर के बारे में सुना
This one arrived wearing a kitschy grin and armed with 90s nostalgia. What no one expected was how controlled the madness would be. Guns and Gulabs balanced slapstick, violence, and satire with surgical precision. It understood pulp deeply enough to parody it without condescension. Every character was absurd yet oddly grounded. The surprise here was tonal discipline. It never lost control of its chaos, a rare feat in Indian crime comedy.
पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया है। कर रहा है अबे पीछे है वो लोग चला नहीं चल रही वापस आएंगे।
From sugar-coated anarchy, we now step into dystopian discomfort. Number 3. Leela. Leela did not trend. It did not chase validation. It simply existed, cold and unflinching. Set in a near future that felt alarmingly familiar, the show explored authoritarianism, purity politics, and motherhood with a chilling calm. The surprise was how unapologetic it was. Low spoon feeding, no tonal compromise. Leila was not designed to be liked, it was designed to be remembered. And that takes courage.
जय आर्यभट्ट जय आर्यभट्ट जय आर्यभट्ट जय आर्यभट्ट
जय आर्यवर्त
Which brings us to a show that did both.
पेचीदा काम है।
मैडम सर सेक्शन 302
ऑन माय वे मैम
Number 2, telecrime. Everyone expected competence. Nobody expected restraint at this level.
हथियारों की ट्रैकिंग के दौरान हमें एक शिपमेंट मिला है 30 लड़कियां थी उसमें दिल्ली ले जा रहे थे उन्हें We must pursue an
Telecrime
investigation.
stunned viewers by diffusing exploitation while tackling one of India's most harrowing real-life cases. The camera lingered on process, not spectacle. The performances felt lived in, not performative. The surprise was dignity.
Details yet, but I don't know. There's just something not right.
In an industry addicted to sensationalism, this series chose empathy and procedural realism. It trusted silence more than background score.
अगर पहले 7 या 10 घंटों में हमने सस्पेक्ट को नहीं पकड़ा तो सारे के सारे गायब हो सकते हैं। जहन मैडम
2-2.5 साल की बच्ची है, सीरियस इंजरीज है।
And then came the show that changed everything.
बहुत कोई उसे एम्स के
If you watched this video up until this point, then please do us a favor and subscribe to All Bollywood. And don't forget to press the bell button because pop culture deserves better memory and we do not want you missing any of our fun videos. Number 1. Sacred Game.
कभी कभी लगता है कि अपन ही भगवान है।
Sacred Games did not just surprise audiences, it detonated expectations. For the first time, an Indian series looked global without losing its accent. Philosophical monologues coexisted with street-level brutality.
हेलो कौन
Mythology collided with geopolitics. Nobody diluted anything. The surprise was ambition. Sacred Games believed Indian audiences could handle complexity, moral ambiguity, and intellectual discomfort. And it was right. Everything that followed on Indian streaming exists in its shadow.
लाइफ हराम हो गई थी सरदार जी, जैसे बाप की होने वाली है।
These 7 shows proved one thing rather decisively. When Indian creators stop chasing validation and start trusting the story, surprises happen. Tell us which one caught you off guard and which one deserves a rewatch.